As the days get longer and temps start to rise, it's time to bring your outdoor space back to life. Here are 7 essential spring cleaning tips from System Pavers to get your outdoors ready for fun in the sun. Start with the basics. Sweep away loose debris from your pavers, walkways, and driveway. Then, give everything a thorough rinse with a garden hose or pressure washer. This simple step is one of the easiest ways to freshen up your space and creates a clean foundation for the season ahead. For stubborn stains, a little targeted cleaning goes a long way. Use mild soap and water for general cleaning, a degreaser near cooking areas, and a natural vinegar solution for moss or mildew. If you love to entertain, you definitely don't want to forget your barbecue or outdoor kitchen. Clean grill grates thoroughly, wipe down countertops, and check all gas connections. A clean cooking space makes summer entertaining much more enjoyable and ensures everything functions properly for the season. Your outdoor furniture may need attention too. Wipe down tables, chairs, and other surfaces with appropriate cleaners. Wash cushion covers if possible and let everything dry completely in the sun. This prevents mildew and ensures your seating areas are fresh and inviting. Get a jump on summer by cleaning up your landscape now. Create clean edges by trimming plants around your hardscape features. Eliminate weeds growing between pavers with a natural solution of vinegar, salt, and dish soap. And add a fresh layer of mulch to create a polished look that enhances your outdoor design. Winter weather can cause slight shifts in your hardscape. Take a few minutes to check for uneven or loose pavers and cracked concrete. Small issues are easier to fix, so you can prevent bigger problems later. Now for the fun part. Arrange your furniture to create conversation areas, add colorful cushions or an outdoor rug, and hang string lights for evening ambiance. Potted plants bring natural beauty and can easily be moved to suit any occasion. These finishing touches will have you ready to plan a backyard get-together in no time. With these 7 simple steps, your outdoor space can be ready for another season of enjoyment. From casual family dinners to memorable moments with friends, System Pavers can create the perfect foundation for your best life outdoors. Contact us today for a complimentary consultation and discover how we can help make this upcoming season better than ever.